Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes on Tuesday, the 3rd of July here on Share Talk. Starting off with Alba Mineral Resources. Can we resist any of the Horse Hill mob at the moment? Interesting here that we've poked above the 200-day moving average at 0.37 pence. It'll be interesting to see whether we can close above that today. And it'll also be interesting to see whether we can break near-term 0.45 pence resistance to get back up to the main target here, which is towards zero point 0.6. At this stage, if we get back below the 50-day line at 0.3, then one would be slightly concerned that all of the recent action was a little bit of a false dawn. On to stock which has performed quite nicely. Echo Energy. Wasn't quite sure whether the stock was going to break the troublesome 16 pence level after four failures, but we managed to get through to start July in a quite strident way. The situation now is that Echo should head towards the 25 pence level, the top of a rising late 2017 price channel, especially given the way that both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are both rising at the moment. Onto the stock, which has taken rather a long time to deliver for the bulls, but looks as though things are starting to move now. We've had decent price action at and above both the 50 and 200-day moving averages in recent weeks and months. And the view at this stage is that we could probably head as high as the top of that formation here from October, heading towards 0.75, 0.8 pence. End of day close above the recent resistance at 0.5 pence, a decent trigger for buyers to follow on through. Next stock, which I haven't looked at for quite a while, but looks to be encouraging on the upside at the moment. The big block here, 2.5 pence, that's a red line there from April. End of day close above that should take the stock up to a potential 5 pence technical target. Ideally, there's no breakback below the 200-day moving average at 1.93 in the interim. Started off with a Horse Hill stock and obviously got to finish with one as well. UKOG, one of the most talked about stocks at the moment. Interesting that we went just shy of the 200-day moving average at 3.06 yesterday and came back quite sharply towards 2 pence. The 2 pence zone was basically the resistance from late February onwards before the latest breakout, and old resistance becoming new support is a known and very common technical analysis event. So while we're above 2 pence on an end of day close, a partial or even full retest of yesterday's best levels could still be on the cards. But if you are squeamish, you really wouldn't want to be holding the stock below 2 pence, given the sharp pullback that we saw yesterday. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.